This electronic lock is where I think the future is going for all locks. So this is the first one I've sort of seen that seems decent. So I got it. Let's see how this is just going to be an unboxing. I'm going to be playing with it the next little bit. I'm actually going to try installing this on my house, on my own front door, because I really think the future is going to be where your lock has video. We now have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, we have apps, we've got fingerprints, we got all sorts of different ways of opening up your locks. You've seen a lot of my videos, which are my favorites. There's some really good ones. The interesting thing, some of the stuff coming from offshore is they're the first to sort of put the technology in. Sometimes it's not very good. The idea is there and it's just the implementation of it's not good. Sometimes it's not good for the North American, so the US or Canadian market. So it's called the Six Smart Plex. Six Smart Plex. And let's take a look. Now it's look at it. This is so user manual. Lots of QR codes to download. Templates. Korean locks are all seem to come in with they won't fit standardized North American locks. So let's see how this one's going to do. Look at that. Look how extremely well packaged that is. It comes with 2 keys. You know I like the key override on all my electronic locks because I just feel safer, and I highly recommend key overrides. Now the one thing we're seeing, and we'll talk about this later, is the keys. They look like they're standard North American keys, and a lot of times they're not. But let's see what this one is in the end. So again, extremely well packaged, like quality here all the way from on first. Like I'm unboxing my my iPhone. So that's the lock, and I guess that's the camera that's built in the front. It's got the key override, which I love having on a lock. And I know some people say, oh, I don't want a key override because they'll pick it. But usually you have enough alarm systems and whatnot to catch that. So there's the front. There's the inside, and it's got a video screen on the inside. And I think you can even have it go to your phone. What do we got here? Oh, the card access. So you can have card access. Oh, we got 2 cards. 2 cards, set of keys, bolts. I don't know what that is yet. Oh, a ringer. So doorbell. Screws. And, oh, it looks like a rechargeable battery pack. And what do we have here? Oh, it looks like a pretty weather resistant. It's got a gasket, so it looks pretty weather resistant. So what else we got in here? Video, smart lock, keyless entry, smart home. It's got video, doorbell, keyless entry. It's got a key override. It has HD video intercom, auto lock mechanism, access management, that'd be our app, low battery alert, IP54 weatherproof design, built-in Wi-Fi, app remote control, one-time passcode, emergency power backup, anti-peeping password. So out of the box, pretty impressive. Just let me check one thing. Oh, here we go. What's in this box? Wait a sec. This should be the latch. I was going to say, here's where I've had problems with a lot of these locks. And this looks like and it looks pretty good make right off the bat. So here's usually the flaw with a lot of these locks. This one's not. It's adjustable for 2 3/8 and 2 3/4. And this looks like a really sturdy, and again, this is one of the weak spots in a lot of these offshore locks is they put a really bad latch on it. Out of the box, this looks kind of interesting. I'm going to install it, play with the apps. I'll have more videos. So I hope it leads up to as good as it looks. I've always wanted a proper video lock, and this is my first one, and I've seen a few of them, but this one seemed to impress me the most. So one interesting feature with the Six Smart Plex, it looks like a Slade key, and I cut it on an SC1 key blank, and it goes in and it turns. So if you want extra keys, that's an important feature. If you've seen some of my other videos, I'm not happy with a lot of the offshore locks. You have to cut the keys special, or you can't get any keys. This one's really good. It looks a little bit off, but I'm going to take it apart to rekey it. Let's see how it rekeys. We're going to test this out totally. So stand by for more videos on this lock. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel.
Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.